You expect software today to deliver on the promise of secured sharing of sensitive patient information. Our electronic fax is unified within our practice management, EHR, and patient engagement suite to provide an easy and simplified way to save medical records to your files or send to other providers and facilities. Replace a labor-intensive and expensive manual paper fax process with an efficient, HIPAA-supported electronic fax that's 100% paperless. Optimize your workflow while sending and receiving single and multi-page documents with a few clicks, and easily sort, sign, and send files to our PM and EHR. No more chasing paper, signatures, or scans. Access eFax in the practice management by going to Modules and Fax. A new window will appear and display all faxes that were delivered or are waiting to be faxed. Organize your faxes and send any digital file that was received directly to the patient demographics in our practice management here in chart files. To access eFax from our EHR, you can also go to Modules and click on Fax. Hover your mouse over any fax to preview it, and double-click on the document to mark it up before you send it. Use editing tools to circle, highlight, and even sign the fax. Save the file here, and click on Send Item. Fax recipients are internal, such as your EHR or practice management, or external, such as another doctor's office. Choose your fax recipient by searching for the patient's name, contact, email, or fax number. If selecting a patient, you will choose to send to the practice management or EHR. Next, type in the subject line of your message, as well as the category, doctor, date, and notes. For external faxes, you can customize your office's cover sheet here. Include your company logo and other details. Faxes sent to our EHR are saved in the Documents card or your File folder here. From our EHR, you can also fax any patient note directly from the note screen, as long as it's been signed. You have 3 options for faxing these notes, including faxing a PDF, PDF compact, and narrative. Notes can also be auto-faxed at signing and sent directly to either a primary care provider, referring provider, or a specific facility. Select and import desired pages by clicking the white box below each page and hit Send. Additionally, you can keep your traditional fax number by porting it to eFax.